Hey there, stargazers! Before we get started, please like and subscribe to this channel to stay tuned for more content. Ever wondered what the stars say about you? Well, buckle up because we're diving into the hilariously serious world of zodiac signs. We're talking rams, bulls, crabs, lions, the whole astrological zoo. Get ready to laugh your constellations off as we explore each sign's quirks, charms, and maybe even some embarrassing secrets. You know, like, why does Virgo always have to be so organized? Let's find out. First up, it's Aries, the ram. Aries are born between March 21 and April 19th. They are known for being bold, ambitious, and always ready to take charge. Aries, you're the friend who's always down for an adventure, even if it means jumping out of a perfectly good airplane. You're passionate, energetic, and sometimes you might accidentally start a small fire just trying to make toast. It's all good though. Your best match is the equally fiery Leo, while Cancer might make you want to, well, retreat into your shell. Taurus, the bull, covers those born between April 20th and May 20th. Known for their reliability, patience, and love of all things comfy and cozy. Taurus, you're the friend who always brings the best snacks to the party, but then complains that someone spilled dip on the carpet. You appreciate the finer things in life, like a perfectly cooked meal or a luxurious bubble bath. Just don't mess with their routine. Your best match is the grounded Virgo, but Aquarius might make you see red. Or should I say bull-colored? Hold on, folks, here comes Gemini, born between May 21st and June 20th. Geminis are known for their dual nature. They are the life of the party, always ready to bring a burst of energy and excitement wherever they go. Their symbol, the twins, represents their multifaceted personality, which can switch from one moment to the next. These social butterflies are known for their adaptability, their way with words, and their ability to talk to anyone about anything for hours on end. You're the friend who knows everyone at the party but can't decide which conversation to join, so you try to join them all at once. Your curiosity and enthusiasm are infectious, drawing people towards you like a magnet. Your best match is the equally charming Libra, who appreciates your lively spirit and shares your love for socializing. But Pisces might make you want to, disappear into the crowd for a little bit. Cancer, the big-hearted homebody. Born between June 21st and July 22nd, Cancers are known for their deep emotional currents and nurturing tendencies. Get your tissues ready because here comes Cancer, the crab. These sensitive souls are known for their intuition, their nurturing nature, and their love of all things cozy and familiar. Picture a warm blanket, a cup of tea, and a good book. This is Cancer's happy place. They thrive in environments where they can feel safe and secure, often creating sanctuaries for themselves and their loved ones. You feel everything deeply, and you're always there for the people you love, even if it means lending a shoulder to cry on and then probably crying yourself. Your emotional intelligence is off the charts, allowing you to connect with others on a profound level. This can be both a blessing and a curse, as you often absorb the emotions of those around you. Your best match is the equally emotional Scorpio, who understands your depth and intensity. However, Aries might make you want to, scuttle under a rock. Their fiery and impulsive nature can be overwhelming for your sensitive soul. But remember, every relationship is a learning experience, and even challenging ones can help you grow. All right, everyone, make way for the Leo. Leo, born between July 23rd and August 22nd, is the lion of the zodiac. These charismatic cats are known for their confidence, their creativity, and their love of the spotlight. Leo, you're the person who makes a grand entrance at a casual backyard barbecue. You're a natural-born leader, and you always know how to make an impression. Just don't hog the karaoke machine all night. Your best match is the adventurous Sagittarius, but Taurus might make you feel like you're stuck in a cage. Virgo, the organized perfectionist. Born between August 22nd and September 21st. It's time to get your life together because here comes Virgo, the maiden. These practical folks are known for their analytical minds, their attention to detail, and their love of a well-organized spreadsheet. Virgo, you're the one who alphabetizes their spice rack and judges everyone else's. You're a natural problem solver and you always have a plan. Just don't forget to relax and have a little fun sometimes. Your best match is the equally grounded Taurus, but Gemini might make you want to, well, organize a protest. Libra, the scales, represents those born between September 23rd and October 22nd. Represented by the scales, Libra is all about balance, harmony, and fairness. They are the diplomats of the zodiac, always striving to create equilibrium in their lives and the lives of those around them. These diplomatic souls are known for their fairness, their love of beauty, and their ability to see both sides of every story. Libras are ruled by Venus, the planet of love and beauty, which explains their appreciation for art, culture, and all things aesthetically pleasing. They have an innate sense of style and grace, making them natural charmers in any social setting. Libra, you're the one who can't decide what to order at a restaurant, so you ask the waiter for their life story. This indecisiveness stems from your desire to make the perfect choice, ensuring that everyone is happy and satisfied. You weigh every option carefully, sometimes to the point of overthinking, but it's all in the name of harmony. Just don't be afraid to make a decision once in a while. While your desire for balance is admirable, it's important to remember that sometimes a decision needs to be made. Trust your instincts and take a leap of faith. Your natural charm and grace will guide you through any uncertainty. Your best match is the equally charming Gemini, who shares your love for socializing and intellectual conversations. Together, you create a dynamic duo full of wit and charm. A Capricorn, on the other hand, might make you want to tip the scales in the other direction. Scorpio, the passionate enigma. Hold on to your secrets because here comes Scorpio, the Scorpion. Born between October 23rd and November 21st, Scorpios are known for their intensity and mystery. These intense and mysterious folks are known for their passion, their resourcefulness, and their ability to read people like a book. Scorpio, you're the friend who knows everyone's secrets but never spills a drop. You're a force to be reckoned with, and you always get what you want. Try not to sting anyone with that stinger of yours. Your best match is the equally intuitive Cancer, but Leo might make you want to hide in the shadows for a bit. Sagittarius, the free-spirited adventurer. Born between November 22nd and December 21st. Pack your bags because here comes Sagittarius, the archer. These adventurous souls are known for their optimism, their love of freedom, and their constant thirst for knowledge. Sagittarius, you're the one who books a one-way ticket to a foreign country and figures out the rest later. You're a natural storyteller, and you always have a fascinating tale to tell. Just don't forget to call your mother once in a while. Your best match is the equally fiery Aries, but Virgo might make you want to, well, book a flight to the moon. Capricorn rules from December 22nd to January 19th. Time to get to work because here comes Capricorn, the goat. These ambitious folks are known for their discipline, their practicality, and their unwavering determination to succeed. Capricorn, you're the one who has a 5-year plan for their 5-year plan. You're a natural leader, and you always reach the top of your game. Just don't forget to enjoy the view from up there. Your best match is the equally grounded Taurus, but Libra might make you want to, well, climb a mountain just to get away from all the indecision. Get ready to break the mold because here comes Aquarius, the water bearer, born between January 20th and February 18th. These independent thinkers are known for their originality, their humanitarian spirit, and their ability to see the world from a different perspective. Aquarius, you're the one who starts a new trend just to see if it catches on. You're a natural innovator, and you're always pushing the boundaries. Just don't forget to come back down to earth every once in a while. Your best match is the equally quirky Gemini, but Taurus might make you want to, well, pour water on their parade. Last but not least, let's dive into the deep end with Pisces, the fish. Pisces, born between February 19th and March 20th, are the dreamers of the zodiac. These sensitive souls are known for their empathy, their creativity, and their ability to connect with others on a deep, emotional level. Pisces, you're the one who cries at commercials and writes poetry about it. You're a true romantic, and you see the world through rose-colored glasses. Just don't get lost in your own little world. Your best match is the equally intuitive Scorpio, but Gemini might make you want to swim away to a deserted island. So, there you have it. The zodiac signs and all their quirky glory, dates, meanings, matches, and enemies. Remember, it's all in the stars. Whether you're a fiery Aries or a dreamy Pisces, embrace your astrological awesomeness. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which sign you are and which sign you think is the worst or best.